In a significant step forward for military defense technology, the Kalinin-Mikhailovsky Military Artillery Academy, MMAA, in Russia has created a new active protection system designed to safeguard military equipment and stationary objects from attacks coming from above. This includes threats from drones, loitering munitions, also known as kamikaze or suicide drones, and even coordinated drone swarms. Development documents for this system were recently published in Russia's Rospatent database, making the details publicly available as of late May 2026. This innovation arrives at a critical time. Modern conflicts, particularly the ongoing war in Ukraine, have shown how vulnerable traditional armored vehicles and fixed positions are to cheap, agile drones. First-person view, FPV, drones and loitering munitions can strike from the upper hemisphere, the area directly above a target, where many existing defense systems have blind spots. Russia's own Arena M active protection systems on tanks like the T-90M and T-72 variants have faced challenges fully addressing small, slow-moving aerial threats despite years of development. How the new system works, combining eyes and radar. The core strength of the MMAA system lies in its hybrid detection approach. It combines traditional optical sensors, cameras and similar devices, with a robust radar system for continuous monitoring of the space above the protected object. Optical systems work well in clear conditions, providing detailed images for identification. However, they fail quickly in real-world battlefield environments involving smoke, fog, rain, snow, or artificial smokescreens deployed by enemies. That's where the radar component becomes essential. The system stays effective even when visibility is near zero. Engineers achieved this all-weather capability by integrating phased radar rangefinders directly into the launch canister, positioned between the barrels. These antennas create a constant radar field that scans the entire upper hemisphere without any need for mechanical movement or scanning. This, always-on, radar provides uninterrupted coverage and rapid detection of incoming threats. Once a threat is detected, the system launches defensive munitions to intercept and destroy it before impact. The design aims to create a protective dome or bubble over the target, addressing a major weakness in many current active protection systems, APS, that focus mainly on side or frontal attacks. Performance claims from simulations. According to the developers, computer simulations of the system showed promising results. The probability of successfully protecting a target reached up to 80%, even when facing simultaneous attacks from multiple drones. The test configuration included 21 launch tubes loaded with a total of 63 defensive munitions. This setup allows the system to handle multiple intercepts in quick succession, which is vital against drone swarms, a growing tactic where dozens or hundreds of low-cost drones overwhelm defenses through sheer numbers. While these are simulation-based figures and real-world testing will be needed to confirm performance under combat conditions, the claims highlight the system's potential to counter the evolving drone threat that has dominated recent battlefields. Why this matters in today's conflicts. Drones have transformed modern warfare. In Ukraine, both sides have used thousands of FPV drones, commercial quadcopters modified for attacks, and loitering munitions like the Lancet. These weapons are inexpensive to produce, hard to detect when flying low or from above, and can precisely target weak spots on tanks, artillery, or supply vehicles, often the top armor, which is thinner than side protection. Traditional air defense systems, such as short-range missiles or guns, can struggle with small, slow targets amid clutter. Many vehicle-mounted APS, like Russia's Arena series, were originally designed primarily against anti-tank guided missiles, ATGMs, and rockets approaching from the sides. Top attack munitions and overhead drones expose vulnerabilities that this new MMAA system specifically targets. By protecting the upper hemisphere reliably in all weather, the system could significantly improve survivability for armored columns, command posts, artillery positions, or even stationary infrastructure like supply depots. Potential applications and future outlook. The system is versatile. It can be mounted on moving vehicles, tanks, armored personnel carriers, self-propelled artillery, or installed to protect fixed sites. Its integration of radar between launch barrels suggests a relatively compact design suitable for various platforms without requiring massive modifications. As drone technology advances, with better autonomy, AI swarming, and resistance to jamming, defenses must evolve too. This development reflects Russia's ongoing efforts to adapt to drone-heavy warfare, alongside other initiatives like enhanced Arena-M variants and specialized anti-drone systems. Experts note that while patents show innovative concepts, turning them into reliable field equipment takes time, rigorous testing, and production scaling. Challenges remain, including integration with existing vehicle electronics, minimizing false alarms, managing ammunition weight, and ensuring cybersecurity against electronic warfare. Nevertheless, the MMAA's active protection system represents a focused response to one of the most pressing threats in contemporary military operations. If successfully deployed, it could help restore some balance on the battlefield by making unprotected from above a thing of the past for Russian forces and potentially for export customers. As conflicts continue to highlight the dominance of unmanned aerial systems, developments like this invincible dome underscore the rapid pace of innovation in active defense technologies. The coming years will likely see more hybrid optical radar solutions and layered protections becoming standard for military vehicles worldwide.